Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best water filter is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast, adventurer, or even just someone preparing for emergencies. Imagine being miles from civilization, your water bottle is empty, and all you have is a murky stream or a questionable puddle. In situations like these, a reliable water filter isn't just a convenience, it's a lifeline, ensuring you have access to safe, drinkable water wherever your journey takes you, protecting you from harmful bacteria, protozoa, and other contaminants that can quickly turn a great trip into a dangerous ordeal. Number 5. Membrane Solutions S1 Straw Water Filter. Enjoy safe drinking water wherever your adventures take you. This filter is scientifically proven to remove 99.9999% of harmful bacteria, meeting strict international standards for your peace of mind. Experience superior taste and safety with our triple NSF certification. It ensures lead-free materials, reduces microplastics, and improves water quality, so you can breathe easy with every sip. This compact filter fits easily into your pocket or backpack, providing up to 1,320 gallons of clean drinking water. Its durable, removable design ensures a long lifespan for all your hydration needs. Our advanced filtration system uses multiple layers, including activated carbon and ultrafiltration membranes. It effectively removes impurities while preserving essential minerals for balanced hydration. With a 0.1 micron pore size, it offers precise filtration without compromising on speed. Enjoy a balanced flow rate perfect for outdoor activities, travel, and emergency situations. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free materials, this filter is built for reliability. Its versatile design works with various containers, making it ideal for individual or group use. What we like. This filter is triple NSF certified for complete reliability and superior taste. It also boasts a 5-stage filtration system. If you are looking for a scientifically proven and highly reliable option for various scenarios like hiking, camping, or emergencies, this is a great choice. Its portability and long lifespan make it a dependable companion for adventurers. What people say. The filter is easy to use and produces clean water. It is a reliable filter that has been used on multiple trips. The filter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry. Number 4. Waterdrop Gravity Water Filter Straw, 2-pack. Experience superior water purification with our advanced 5-stage filtration system. It effectively removes harmful substances, ensuring your water is safe and tastes great. This exclusive combination features a large-capacity gravity-fed bag, holding up to 1.5 gallons. It's designed to meet all your hydration needs during outdoor adventures or emergencies. Enjoy safe drinking water for up to 1,400 gallons. It provides a generous water flow rate, making outdoor hydration effortless. Our filter straw features a unique backwash function for easy cleaning and maintenance. This ensures it remains hygienic and pollution-free for long-term use. Connect it seamlessly with water bags or bottles. This versatile design allows you to access clean drinking water anytime, anywhere. Perfect for travel, backpacking, and emergency preparedness, it's the ultimate solution for safe drinking water on the go. What we like. This option offers a professional combination with a 1.5-gallon gravity-fed water bag. It features a 5-stage filtration system and a recyclable straw with an innovative backwash function. If you need a system that can provide a large volume of water for a group or for extended use during camping trips, and you appreciate the convenience of a gravity system with easy maintenance, this is the one for you. What people say. The filter is very easy to use and effective. It filters water quickly and efficiently. The filter is durable and has a long lifespan. Number 3. Waterdrop Gravity Water Filter Straw. Experience safer drinking water with our advanced 5-stage filtration system. It effectively removes harmful substances, ensuring a better taste and a purer drinking experience. This exclusive gravity-fed system is designed for outdoor adventures and emergencies. Its large-capacity bag holds ample water, meeting your hydration needs throughout the day. Enjoy up to 1,400 gallons of safe drinking water from this device. It provides a consistent and generous water flow rate for a relaxed hydration experience. Maintain its cleanliness with the innovative backwash function, ensuring it's always ready for use. This recyclable design is safe and eco-friendly. Easily connected to water bags or bottles for clean drinking water wherever you go. Its adaptable design offers convenience for any situation. This is your perfect companion for travel, backpacking, and emergency preparedness. Stay hydrated with confidence on all your adventures. What we like. This is the single-pack version of the gravity-fed system, also featuring a 1.5-gallon bag and a recyclable straw with backwash capabilities. If you are a solo adventurer or part of a smaller group and prefer the convenience of a gravity filter with a substantial water capacity and easy maintenance, this is an excellent choice for your travel and emergency preparedness needs. What people say. The filter is very easy to use and produces clean water. It's a great filter for camping and backpacking, providing safe drinking water from various sources. The filter is durable and has a long lifespan, making it a reliable choice for outdoor adventures. Number 2. Greeshow Portable Electric Water Filter. Tired of manual pumping? This device offers a fully automatic electric water purifier that delivers a high-flow stream with just one push of a button. Save your energy for the adventure and get fast hydration when you need it most. Turn questionable water sources into safe drinking water. It features an advanced 5-stage system with a 0.01 micron membrane, providing a physical barrier against microscopic impurities. It meets rigorous NSF/ANSI standards for your peace of mind. Stay powered off the grid with 3 versatile charging options. It includes an integrated solar panel, an emergency hand crank, and a fast-charging USB-C port. This is a true must-have for any emergency kit. Pack lighter and smarter. Beyond purifying water, this device features a built-in power bank to revive your dead phone in emergencies. It also includes a bright LED flashlight with an SOS strobe mode for signaling. A single filter cartridge yields up to 264 gallons of clean water, equivalent to 2,000 plastic bottles. The smart electric backwashing feature effortlessly flushes out debris, maintaining peak flow rate and extending its life. What we like. This product ditches manual pumping for a fully automatic electric purifier with a 0.01 micron filtration. It offers 3 charging options, solar, hand crank, and USB-C, and also functions as a power bank and LED light. If you prioritize convenience, speed, and multifunctionality in your outdoor gear, especially for emergency kits or extended trips where power and hydration are critical, this electric filter is a game changer. What people say. This filter is very effective at removing bacteria and protozoa from water. The filter is lightweight and easy to use, making it ideal for backpacking and camping. It has a long lifespan and can filter a large amount of water before needing replacement. Number 1. Survivor Filter Ultra Filter Replacement L600. Introducing the Ultra Filter Replacement for your Survivor filter. This essential component ensures your water remains pure and safe. It utilizes advanced ultrafiltration technology to effectively remove impurities. Enjoy clean water with every sip. Designed to be lightweight, it's perfect for on-the-go adventures. Carry it with ease wherever you go. This filter boasts an impressive capacity, capable of purifying up to 100,000 liters of water. That's a lot of clean drinking water. Crafted from durable materials, it's built to last. You can rely on it for long-lasting performance. Using it is incredibly simple. Just squeeze the bottle to draw water through the straw and drink. What we like. This is an ultrafilter replacement designed for the Survivor filter system, offering ultrafiltration and a massive 100,000-liter capacity. It's also lightweight and made from durable materials. If you already own the Survivor filter straw and are looking for a replacement filter with an exceptionally long lifespan and reliable purification, this is the perfect, cost-effective solution to keep your filtration system going strong. What people say. The filter is very effective at removing impurities from the water, leaving it clean and safe to drink. The design of the filter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry during outdoor activities. It has a high filtration capacity, allowing you to filter a large amount of water before needing to replace the filter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.